Hi, my name is Siddhansh. I'm the founder and CEO of Juggernaut AI. I'm here to give you a demo of the social automation tool called Baani that will allow you to rapidly generate social media posts across your target channels with the objective of driving organic traction to your brand and getting your voice heard loud and clear. With this tool, you will be able to post frequently and play the volume game of content creation with ease. Awesome. So, who can use this tool? It can be used by social media agencies, influencers or thought leaders, freelancers, and brands. So, let's understand how this agent actually works. Here is a flowchart that depicts the workflow. As the admin, you will be speaking to Baani's chatbot. Baani will take your idea for a social media post, get sufficient context that's needed to generate high quality content. It then takes the post brief and gives it to Agent Copy and Agent Designer. Agent Copy is trained to write the type of copy employing the best practices often used by influencers to engage their audiences and potentially go viral. It doesn't just create one type of copy, but multiple variants of the copy like problem solution, storytelling, or informative. Once these copies are made, it's given to agent designer who takes the brief and the copy and then begins to generate the designs. When the designs are complete, the post, which now includes the copy and creative, is given to the agent reviewer who validates if it's as per the brand's guidelines like tonality, language style, this is for the copy, and typography, iconography, colors, and visual style for the creative. The reviewer has to validate the posts or else it goes back into rework. When the post is approved, it's shown to the human user who provides the necessary inputs, or one could say the final human touch, and then we proceed to schedule the posts on the content planner. Based on the schedule, the agent auto fires on multiple channels like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. We currently only support these channels and will launch others in the future. Now you'd think we're done, but to be honest, we're just getting started. With your permission and assistance, we collect the post data and store it in our warehouse. This data is given to Agent Upgrade, who is responsible for improving Baani's capabilities so that it becomes much better at serving you in the future. But let's rewind back. The posts that we deployed and its performance are sent to the agent reporter who will generate insights and the next plan for action. This report is shown to the human where Baani takes feedback, creates a new brief that goes back to the content generation process. And now if we zoom out, we notice that this entire process starts to look a lot like a content factory where you can consistently generate posts and play the volume game on social media with ease. So I know for a fact that I will be using this for my company Juggernaut. However, as you can imagine, this is a significant undertaking. The product demo I'm about to show you is a working product. It's still very competent and powerful, but it currently doesn't support the full capabilities that I mentioned in the workflow, which is why we will roll this product out in phases. Additionally, this agent will make posts only for Twitter. We'll cover LinkedIn and Instagram in other videos. All right, enough theory. Let's jump into practicals. All right, let's begin the chat with Agent Baani. Let's start by typing, I want to make an announcement of launching Juggernaut's GPT agents for all major social media channels that will help content marketers have a reliable AI co-pilot to help them in the process of writing, designing, and publishing social media posts. Awesome. So I've got a reply. It says, great, I can help you with that. Here is a copy for your Twitter post. Succeed at social media by posting frequently using Juggernaut's AI. Make a month's worth of posts in minutes. We're excited to unveil Juggernaut's GPT agents for social media posting. This trustworthy co-pilot is capable of writing, designing, and rapidly publishing posts in just a few minutes. Content marketing, #AI, #social media. The copy is made using Juggernaut's brand guidelines, starts with a hook line and an enthusiastic tone, introduces the new service/product clearly, highlights the main benefits, which is reliability and time saving, ends with relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Do you want to move ahead with making the creative for this copy? So there are a few changes that I would want to make, very few in fact, like just minor tweaks that I would like to add to this particular post. Now there are two ways I can go about this. I can either just copy this content here and paste it. So I can start making the edits here in the notepad on the right hand side. And you can use all of Notion's capabilities as well, which is the cool part. So you can just add this, you can highlight things, you can, add italics, underline. So all the editing functions that Notion offers, you can actually use that right here, which is pretty awesome. So you can either edit the post this way, or you can just go back here and make the edits. So you can just tell the chatbot something on the lines of, great, can you please edit the message by finding different words for excited and unveil, and also replace the word from trustworthy to reliable. Also add a CTA link, and I've prepared a CTA link just for this demo. So let me paste that in here. So I've gotten the next reply with, I think, the edited text. So let's see. Got it. Here is the updated copy for your tweet. Succeed at social media by posting frequently using Juggernaut's AI. Make a month's worth of posts in minutes. We're thrilled to announce. So I think it's changed here. Yeah, it's changed here. We're excited to unveil. Instead of that, it's replaced the word and also changed the construction by just a bit. So it says, we're thrilled to announce the launch of Juggernaut's GPT agent for posting on social media. It's a reliable co-pilot that can write, design, and publish posts in minutes. So instead of trustworthy, I think it's changed to reliable here. And it's telling me as well, we have changed and replaced the words as per your feedback. Do you want to move ahead with making the creative for this copy? And I'm going to say, sure, go ahead. So it's made this creative for me. It's used, this is an image that's been created by DALL-E. It seems to have created human agents who are part of, I think, a social media department by the looks of it. As you can see, there's Facebook logo. I can see YouTube. I can see Twitter. I think this is its own version of Instagram. And yeah, even if it hasn't gotten all of this right, I think it still manages to get the job done. And in terms of the tagline as well, it's mentioned hire AI agents to automate your social media posts, which is good. So it's created agents, given me a tagline, mentioned my logo, and it's using, the creative format that we use at Juggernaut, which is good. And let's see, it has some notes for me as well. It's stating creative summary, which is template type. We're using the announcements template. Brand colors, applied the brand's signature color scheme for visual consistency. Great. Logo placement, strategically position the logo for optimal visibility. I like it. Font style, employed the brand's official font for textual coherence, which is Roboto Mono. Imagery style, selected imagery that aligns with the brand's aesthetic. Compliance with guidelines, ensured all elements adhere to the brand's style guide. So I guess some reviewing has been done as well to ensure that this follows the brand guidelines. And frankly, it does. If you go through Juggernaut's posts, or any of the creatives that we've made so far, it does have this neon mecha style. I like how it's created agents, how it's made this creative. It's done a pretty good job. But if in your case you want to make specific changes, all you have to do is go to Canva right here. So the image is linked, so you can make the changes on Canva, and accordingly, have it ingested back in Baani's agent. So you have the option of editing it on Canva, or you can specify the edit here. So let's do that, in fact. So let's just say, can you give me another option? Keep using the announcements template. So this is the image that Baani has given me. It's a slightly different image. It's kept the template. It has the logo here. It's changed the background though. There's this mesh background which is also used in some of our other posts. It's changed the image compared to what we see here. So the image is different. I actually like both images, but I actually like this image a bit better, just in terms of aesthetic. It's got the Facebook logo here by the looks of it. There aren't as many social media logos, but that's fine. It still gives the impression of agents, working in this futuristic office. Looks pretty good. And it's also got a note for me which says, sure, here is another version of the creative. We're still using the announcement template. However, we've changed the image and background based on the design of your recent post that performed well online. Aha. What do you think of this option? So let's say this works. Great. Shall we proceed with adding this to your content planner? Yeah, okay. When do you plan to make this post? So you can ask Baani to schedule a launch, or you can even go like post it now. We support both capabilities. For now, I'm just going to say tomorrow at 9 a.m. Great, I have added the media assets and it's scheduled to your content planner. The post will be automatically deployed according to the schedule, and we will inform you once it's successfully published across all your designated social media channels. Is there anything else I can do for you? So if we go by what it's telling me right now, I will be able to see this on the content calendar. I don't see it right now, but if I refresh the page, I should be able to see it. So I've refreshed the page and everything is as it is. And as you can see, we now have the new post, which is scheduled for tomorrow, as I'd mentioned, at 9 a.m. So that's been added. You can see this entire content planner in multiple formats. You can see it as a table view. And you can see that the sorting is also based on recency. You also can see it in a gallery view, so you can see by different posts, and you can see the title of the post, the channel that you are planning to target, and you can also see when exactly this is scheduled for launch. For now, I'm just going to say post it right now. It says say the magic words, so I'm going to say it. And it's sonorous. Your wish is my command. Your post has been published on Twitter. I've added the media assets and marked the post on your content planner. Is there anything else I can do for you? Okay, so let's see how that goes. Let's go to Twitter. So if I open up Twitter, let me go to my profile and see right here the post is made. Great. So we managed to publish the post as well, and the app was able to do it quite instantly. I really find it awesome that I can actually just speak to a chatbot where it can help me iterate, to come up with some sort of a post and then just instantly publish it on my channel. Okay, so that concludes the demo. What you have witnessed is the ability to create posts on a GPT assistant called Baani. All you did was give it an idea and a few prompts. That's all it takes, and I promise that if you participate in our program, it will only get better with time. There are few things I want every viewer to remember. The workflow we created is subjected to changes based on feedback and iterations we run in the market. We're using the best AI tools and web frameworks for this social automation program. Most importantly, these agents are not here to replace humans. Take content, for example. If your content writer took 20 minutes to write a single post, that 20 minutes will now be spent in reviewing and tweaking 10 posts. We're here to improve your overall throughput and increase human output per hour with our AI copilot, Baani. The same is true for design. Lastly, we'll release this technology in phases for those who are interested in harnessing the power of AI for social media posting and organic traction. Please get in touch with me by filling the form below. All right, that's it for this demo. In the next couple of videos, we'll be giving you updates on how this rollout is going to work out. We will also be showing you how the agent is going to be working for other channels like LinkedIn and Instagram. So until then, stay tuned and speak to you soon.